Good morning, everyone. It is said that do not try to fix yourself, do not try to fix whatever comes to you. Rather, fix yourself in such a way that whatever comes to you, you will be fine. With this thought, I, Manvi Srini, take this opportunity to welcome you all for the inaugural session of this weekly wellness series called Utthan. Utthan is a journey which will be facilitated by Brahmakumari's World Spiritual University. I'll talk something about Brahmakumari's University. It's a non-governmental organization having general consultative status with the United Nations Economic and Social Council and UNICEF, and it is affiliated to the Department of Public Information. The institution has more than 9,000 branches in more than 137 countries of the world. It is one of its kind global spiritual family that sustains itself by cultivating spiritual brotherhood by methodically practicing meditation. Under the able guidance of our chairperson, Mrs. Deepika Jindal, Utthan was launched at JSL Lifestyle in June 21, and since then, it has become a weekly feature for us here. Everybody of us are await a power 40 minutes session by the Brahmakumaris to energize ourselves. Based on the positive feedback, this is being now launched for employees all across the JSL group. And from next week onwards, every one of us will have a common session with one of the speakers from Brahmakumaris. It's my pleasure to welcome on this session the dignitaries from Brahmakumaris, Dr. Nirmala. Dr. Nirmala is the director of Brahmakumaris Raj Yoga Center in the Asia Pacific region. She's a medical doctor by qualification and a yogi. Dr. Nirmala combines the pragmatic qualities of being a doctor and with the mystical understanding of Raj Yoga. I welcome you, Dr. Nirmala. Also, Dr. Sangeeta, who has been a speaker for us for last about 9 weeks. Few gaps in between wherein we have some guest speakers, but Dr. Sangeeta is the one, Sister Sangeeta is the one who has been the consistent speaker for us. She's a chartered accountant by qualification and has also done a pharmacy course from Mumbai. She's a spiritualist and has deep studying practical application of Raj Yoga knowledge and meditation in various fields of life since last 40 years. Welcome, Dr. Nirmala, Dr. Sangeeta. It's my pleasure also to welcome Mrs. Deepika Jindal, our chairperson on this session. We'll have the digital bouquet presentation to all the dignitaries now.
Swagatam, swagatam, swagatam. Swagatam, swagatam, swagatam. Swagatam, swagatam. आपके शुभागमन से धन्य हो गए हम, धन्य हो गए हम। स्वागतम, स्वागतम।
I invite Mrs. Deepika Jindal to give her good wishes to everyone to start the program.
Om Shanti Didi, Om Shanti Sister Sangeeta Didi. Today it is with Baba's grace and Baba's blessings, we are being able to start this program in the whole JSL family. And for me personally, this is a very, very happy moment that Baba has given this opportunity to me and to the entire JSL group to hear such valuable words. I have been practicing Raj Yoga meditation for the last 5 months, and I can't tell you how much changes it's made to me personally in my own life. And I would love each and everyone who takes the maximum benefit of this. I hope you all take the maximum benefit. I've seen the difference it's done to JSL lifestyle, and that is the reason why I felt that you all should receive this opportunity to hear and to grow and to improve, because what is most important is your personal internal life that brings changes not only outside but within. It makes your professional and personal life ever so more beautiful and peaceful, that we all together can make this world a happy and a peaceful soul world, because that's what our Swadharma is, to be a peaceful soul. So I'm so privileged that I have Dr. Nirmala Didi here to bless us today. And Sangeeta Didi is always here to guide us and show us the mark. And that is what we have been doing. And I seek Baba's blessings that this whole program is a success for all of us. Om Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm just informed that our CMD, Mr. Ratan Jindal, is also a part of this session. So I welcome you, sir, in this session. With this, I request Dr. Nirmala Didi to say a few words to us.
Om Shanti. Everybody likes to have progress in our life. And this wellness program is to feel well physically, mentally, spiritually, and socially. Because everybody wants to be healthy, happy, and progressing in life. In this iron age, we have to face many problems and obstacles. So much competition, comparison, etc. So once we study meditation, we are able to empower ourselves. And that's what the aim is. Empower ourselves. Be free from tension, anxiety, pressure, obstacles. Because this is the part of this progressing society. Everybody is complaining of stress and tension and anxiety. And business is competition. So to be efficient in business as well as to have happy family life, meditation will help you. So hope these sessions that you will be conducting in next few weeks will help you to empower yourself to face difficult situation and have good relationship with family, colleagues, and relatives. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Didi, for your kind words, for your blessings. With this, I invite Sister Sangeeta Didi, to say a few words to us.
Om Shanti, all of you. Very good morning, respected Didi, Sister Deepika, Brother Ratan Bhai, if I'm sure he's there, and Manvi Ben and all the whole JSL family. So it's obviously a very happy feeling to be all with the whole JSL family. We have been with the JSL lifestyle for a while. So, and we could, as the theme itself says, Utthan. So they felt that progress, and that progress means the one which it should be shared. That is called progress. Any progress is important personally also, but becomes more important when it is shared with others. So considering the benefits it had given in the earlier sessions with the JSL lifestyle, so I'm sure this progress series also would be good for you. And because it is finally internal progress, as Didi was just now speaking, that there are 4 Utthan progress which we always like, but many times the mental and the spiritual aspect is sort of ignored. हम कहते promotion means when we are progressing outwardly, no? Then only we feel it is a progress. But if we just see, agar if there is that internal progress, जब मेरा मन बहुत शांत है, I am very enthusiastic, I am very happy, I am very peaceful. So will it not affect the outside progress, outside output? Do you feel it will? So that's the key. That's the secret of the outside progress also. In fact, in other words, I should say, to enjoy the outside progress, we need the internal progress. ये उत्थान बहुत जरूरी है. Then only we can, because there is money, there is promotion, but if there is no enthusiasm, there is no peace. So mostly we are not able to enjoy that progress. So in a way, whatever field we are, but to enhance it is called this spiritual knowledge. So this is the idea of this these sessions, so which we'll be sharing with you, and I'm sure the changes would be wonderful, and we would be seeing the changes practically, because it has been our umpteen examples in our life, and every second person, everyone, all those who have gone through this, they have 100% progressed. In if at all कोई बहुत ऐसा हो भी, at least demotion तो नहीं हुआ, promotion अगर नहीं भी हुआ, so because it is very much personal, like I want to train my mind, so no one is so personal to my mind more than me. So that is how the whole theme works, and of course the extent and the capacity will differ from person to person. The more sincere we are, the more on time we are, the more alert, attentive we are, will really enjoy all these sessions. So I'm sure, and my good wishes that we all would be accordingly doing the schooling. It's like a schooling, training, schooling of mind. पूरा उम्र बीतने के बाद अब मन को हम ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. तो this is the can say irony of life, कि जो ट्रेन पहले करना चाहिए था, so अभी ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. But anyways, जब जागा तब सवेरा, it is said, no? So it's good that we all would be learning. In fact, even we are also learning while we are with you. It's not just one way, but it's a two-way learning. So very, very much thank you also to Deepika Ben, our brother Ratan Bhai, and especially Didi, who has come here especially to bless us from Mount Abu. See, Didi is now in Delhi. So thank you very much to take this initiative, and look forward to be with you in the coming sessions. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you for your kind words. It has been personally very enriching listening to you every week all through. It's been a transformation journey for sure. With this, we will have a virtual candle lighting and also a curtain raiser ceremony. Sapna Didi, candle lighting now.
शुभ संकल्पों के दीप जलाएं अपने अपने मन में। शुभ संकल्पों के दीप जलाएं अपने अपने मन में। जग उजियारा होगा प्रेम से, सुख ही सुख कण कण में। शुभ संकल्पों के दीप जलाएं। परिवर्तन की है ये बेला, ये जग बदलने वाला। राजयोग का मार्ग यही है, सहज सरल निराला। दिव्यता की बन जाए मूरत, मंदिर से इस तन में। जग उजियारा होगा प्रेम से, सुख ही सुख कण कण में। शुभ संकल्पों के दीप जलाएं।
Thank you. Okay. With this, we are all set to launch the Uttan session, Uttan series. And I request Sister Sangeeta to take ahead this session. And we'll spend almost 20 minutes together, 20 more minutes together. And we look forward to listen to you, Sister Sangeeta.
I'll take leave.
Thank you very much, Didi. First of all, Didi is taking leave
Okay,
from
thank
Mount
you.
Abu.
Thank
It
you.
was good to have you and to have your blessings. Your drishti is your blessings. So
Oh,
thanks
ah.
very much, Didi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Om Shanti. So now we'll be progressing, starting the progress. So as just now we were listening, there are 4 spheres: physical, social, mental, and spiritual. So all of us are growing in age also. हम कहते बहुत बड़ा हो गया. When we see anybody after some years, कहते बड़ा हो गया, या youth है तो फिर बुजुर्ग हो गए, etc. And then if it is of a job, then we say that there is I have got promotion. ये भी बोलते हैं ना कि promotion मिल गई हमको, तो because then it is like I've progressed. अगर promotion नहीं है, how many years you're putting into the job, but there is no promotion, or even if the promotion is very slow, then also there is a dejection, or there could be no enthusiasm. So in job wise, we want this kind of progress. Up and social also, as we are growing, our social circle increases. हम कहते हैं ना, we have a big circle, or I'm known to so many, or I know so many of them. So there is the progress there seen. And so the only left sphere which I would say that the progress is not seen, or the progress seen is very slow. कौन सा sphere है? What do you feel? How many of us feel that day by day my anger is increasing, my patience has been decreasing. Or earlier I would just don't mind even if someone scolds me or something, but agar abhi kuch keh de to I just don't, for some time I won't receive the phone, I won't message, I won't look at that person. No, such kind of gestures which is common, right? And communication breakdown wo to bahut easy hai, fast hai. Earlier I would never feel, but nowadays I don't like, this is too much, I've been tolerating a lot, now this is not good. Do we feel any one of us going through this or having such kind of feelings? मतलब पहले ऐसा था और अभी ऐसा है. How many? If I can see the hands raised. अच्छा, no one. It's wonderful. नहीं नहीं, डरो नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay. So my age is increasing, my anger is increasing, right? My promotion is increasing, my patience is decreasing. Now it could be something of that kind. So it means, what do we say? So we are progressing outwardly and we are diminishing. Do we feel? Because when we were child, we used to be so much so saral, so much so simple. बोल दिया चॉकलेट नहीं दे रहा है, उस समय नाराज हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद आई एम द सेम. वी डोंट होल्ड दोस थिंग्स इन माइंड. किसी ने कुछ किया, एक दिन कट्टी कर लेंगे बस, फिर वी आर द सेम. Was it like that when we were child? So when here this fear is like that, कि otherwise where as we grow in age, we tend to be demotion. That demotion is experienced. बाकी spheres में promotion हो रही है. So why not take care of this fear also? Is it true? Agar suppose my peace is increasing, my enthusiasm increasing, everything increases, these feelings. So my performance, would it be not better? Not only it would be better, I would be enjoying that promotion. I would be enjoying the family. आज family बहुत है, circle बहुत बड़ा है, social है. But then the problem is I'm not able to get along with them. Earlier हम 10 स्काउट में जाते, गाइड्स में जाते थे, बच्चे थे तो सब इकट्ठे रहते थे. अब one more person in my room also, it's difficult. एक से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. So our adjustment power, our tolerance power is decreasing, and at the cost of all this decrease, we are using our promotion, our progress. So therefore what is happening? We are एक tussle. Therefore the common statement is very stressed. Pressure बहुत है, stress बहुत है. So therefore this kind of feelings, so it's just like to increase our these feelings. This is the aim. तो अब how to increase it? Shortcut methods हम करेंगे अभी, क्योंकि छोटे छोटे सेशंस होंगे तो सिर्फ capsules we will get it. The very first important thing here is, how do we, what is the thing which is very much influencing us? If we just see how have we become this what we are today, तो हम बहुत बार क्या कहते, the media plays a very major role in all of this kind. Like हम लोग कहते हैं ना, बच्चे बिगड़े क्यों हैं? Because the media is like that. So the role of media, or what, in other words, media तो चलो एक screen है, but anything, what is any information of such kind, information plays a major role in our internal understanding, or in other words in our thought process. Do we all agree? आज जो भी like suppose it's just one information about COVID or something, ये आ गया, ये डेल्टा ये चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है, and there is a scare here. So that information and my thinking, it goes hand in hand most of the time. Is it true? जैसा बाहर वैसा अंदर. So what exactly is information? whatever we are seeing, whatever we are listening, and whatever we are watching, reading, listening, watching, this is the source of information on the mind. Everything, suppose like I am even watching a ad, it could be of 2 minutes, but I am taking something from it. Similarly, whatever I am reading, I'm taking in. So anything which is going inside is the information. And if we just see the quality of the information today, how much, like even today itself, abhi 10:30, 11 o'clock hai, right from the time we have got up till now, how much information which we had, could be we must have read newspaper, or maybe I've just watched the WhatsApp, etc., or I'm on the roads, I'm seeing things around me. How much information which we have was positive, completely pure positive matlab which was filled with peace, which was filled with happiness, which was filled with this all purity, cleanliness, etc. How many of us feel we had this kind of khana? नाश्ता तो बहुत न्यूट्रिशियस किया होगा हमने, राइट? नो, सलाद ही लेते हैं, जंक फूड नहीं लेते हैं, but this kind of input, I don't think so. Anyone had it? Even it could be in the, like we must be in the breakfast table and there was something, some point, and there was a discussion, उसमें थोड़ा मनमुटाव भी हो गया कि ये क्या बनाया, etc. ऐसा भी हो गया होगा. तो just see, in 4 hours also the information was not so positive. Now there was once a media conference, and in our headquarters, Mount Abu, and the theme of the this conference was the role of media in the minds. So like of course the general public, they were saying that media plays a very important role, and it is because whatever we are seeing today in the whole world, it is because of the media. मीडिया ने क्या कहा कि जो समाज में होता है वो हम लोगों को बताते हैं, जो मतलब दिस वाज देयर टेक. तो क्या है, जो समाज में होता है वो मीडिया बताती है, या जो मीडिया में दिखाया जाता है वो समाज में होता है? क्या कहेंगे इसको? A question mark. Now see, समाज में हुआ, so both of them are right. समाज में एक डिवोर्स केस हुआ, एक कुछ टेरर हुआ, that is been shown in the media. That time there are 1 lakh lakhs of minds watching the media, so the information is going to lakhs of people. It had happened in one mind, but it is now in lakhs of minds. Now the lakhs of these many minds have got the idea how to handle a relationship which is very strained. So that idea which was generated because of the media. So therefore to be very careful. Now ab usko roke, या there could be the other way around. Now who would start the change? So therefore the people say कि जब मीडिया ही ऐसी है, however hard we may try, nothing will happen. कितना कर सकते हो आप? Because ज्यादा तो मीडिया यही दिखाती है. We always say them कि देखो एक vessel है, I put water in it, 1 glass of water, and there are you all 100 people, they are also putting water in it, right? And now that same water I'm drinking. Have I contributed to the taste of the water? Have I contributed or not? I have poured one glass, everyone of else also is pouring one glass. Have I contributed to the water? Though it be just minimum one glass. And now the same water I have to drink it. So I am learning from the media. ऐसा करना चाहिए, कोई ऐसा बोले तो ऐसे बोलना चाहिए, whatever. So I am thinking, and my thoughts are the vibrations which I'm pouring in the atmosphere where I'm at present. Now suppose you are in this atmosphere in the office. ये तो ऐसा ही है, ये तो सुनता नहीं है. Suppose this kind of thoughts are going on. I am pouring in the atmosphere in that office, and there are many others also who are pouring. And then finally, who has to drink it? I have to stay in that energy. Can I say I have contributed also to the whatever present circumstance in the office I am? Can I say that? तो आज अगर ऑफिस में heavy energy है, the colleagues are not speaking to me or whatever, or in the family बहुत भारीपन है, तो who could be the reason for it? Can I say I'm a contributor to that energy? So therefore it becomes very easy for me to change it, because I will stop my contribution. So I will stop my thoughts, ये ऐसा है वो ऐसा है, because मुझे ही उस energy में रहना है. तो at least now suppose in that same vessel, now we pour. Today one fine day, after listening to the session, I will say I will pour 1 glass of milk in that 100 glasses of water poured. Will there be a difference in the color, in the taste of the water? Will there be a difference or not? Even if it's very minimal, suppose there are 1000 glasses poured and I have just poured 1 glass of milk, still will there be a difference or not? It could be 0.001%. टेस्ट तो चेंज होगा उसका, और जब टेस्ट चेंज होगा मुझे खुशी होगी कि अरे देखा थोड़ा सा तो फर्क आया. नाउ एनीवन हु ड्रिंक्स इट फील्स अरे बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट, थोड़ा फर्क आया, क्या हुआ? ही फाइंड्स आउट एंड देन ही फील्स व्हाई नॉट आई आल्सो ऐड इट. और ऐसे करके मे बी someone, many others could be inspired. So then I am in the office, I will start thinking, he's so nice, this person is very nice, these are the specialties, okay, these are the limitations, but these are the specialties. So I go on contributing the positive thoughts in the atmosphere I'm working in. What will happen? जो भी वहां आएगा थोड़ा लगेगा क्या चेंज है, अच्छा लगेगा उसको. All of us like to be are very comfortable in this such kind of setup कि जहां people are very accommodating, people are very accepting, people are very, so I don't be angry, I even don't express, and I don't even suppress also. I be cool, I be calm, I'm just adding some vibrations to that atmosphere. So who will be benefited the most? And I'm staying in that atmosphere, तो मुझे ही तो सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी मिलेगी ना. तो therefore this is the funda. So when I do something and if I feel that change, and then anyone coming to me will experience the difference from that energy to this energy. उस ऑफिस का उसके कमरे में गए और इस कमरे में गए, थोड़ा फर्क लगा. एसी गर्मी होती है ना, थोड़ा सा भी जहाँ हवा दिखता है, what we feel pulled towards it because it's so much so hot. तो जहाँ भी थोड़ी ठंडक लगती है. So similarly this would be the pulling energy. The positivity in me will be the pulling energy. बहुत बार हम कहते पता नहीं क्या है, लोग नहीं सुनते हैं, नहीं मेरे से बात करना चाहते या something of that kind. The reason is what? My energy is pushing energy, pulling energy. This is called spirituality. So this is the contribution I make when I do this kind of homework for myself. So therefore, if I just take care of little things in my life, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं देखना होता है, छोटी छोटी चीजें देखनी होती है. And it is so common and so simple and so easy. Like suppose I walk, there is a hump. थोड़ा कुबड़ चलती हूँ. Now if people say me कि जब आप बैठो ना तब straight बैठा करो, या जब आप बात करो, so will that help? Or throughout the day I have to be just alert कि I should be straight? What will help me? कि कोई situations है ना उस समय आप straight बैठो. It has to be throughout that alertness. Even when I'm walking, I should be very straight. When I'm speaking, I'm sitting. So everything, if that is then straight, then that hump will be taken care of. Similarly, it could not be just कि जब when you are in the office, तो तब तो बहुत अच्छे से बात कर लो. But when otherwise, then it's okay. So it has to be throughout the day ka procedure. And every little, it is not even when you are before the authoritative, before your boss, tab to bahut अच्छे से sweetly karo. And when you are with your children in the family, then you can do as you wish, because यहाँ matter करता है promotion, यहाँ कुछ नहीं चलता है. Will it be possible that my hump won't get increased? It will be the same. So I have to be attentive always, because I am very particular कि मेरा ये hump नहीं निकल जाए. So this is the idea. So how throughout the day I just be very pure positive. So, and then because I am facing the brunt of it, of that energy. So throughout the day I emit or I create pure thoughts, pure energy, and that creation will help me, because मैं create कर रही हूँ और मैं उस energy में रह रही हूँ. So I'll be the most happiest, because I will be the most benefited person by it. So this is what we are going to carry forward. So information plays such an important role. So every week if we get little bit of positive information, पूरे week इतना नहीं मिला, लेकिन 40 मिनट एक ग्लास भी मिला उस पॉन्ड में 7 days के information, will it make a difference or not? Yeah, it does make a 150%. It will make a difference. So every day we all will meet religiously on time. I think so Tuesday is fixed every week. So we'll meet on time, and all of us will note down. If okay with you, we'll become school children. Are you ready? बचपन के दिन भुला न देना, हम बड़े गीत गाते हैं, आज हंसे कल रुला न देना. तो थोड़े दिनों के लिए 40 मिनट every week will recall our childhood days, will activate the child in us, and this is the key of our progress. So that is every week we'll be meeting for this purpose. And notebook pen भी लेकर आओ, वीडियो भी ऑन करो. Let us just be in a school, जैसे कोई हम बहुत प्योर स्कूल में बैठे. And then not only that, it's benefiting that time afterwards in your office, but you'll be carrying a big training, big understanding when you're back home, and that will benefit the family members too. तो एक जन के कारण there are minimum that day maybe 10 to 50 people who will be benefiting by my thought. So I'm such a great contributor to create happiness to others. So we'll be understanding this responsibility, and it will be done with the help of knowledge and meditation. We'll just have a taste of it just now. 3 minutes. So what is the thing which we are changing? We'll just reflect in this meditative moments. So let us be silent for some time. Release ourselves from every pressure for some time. Whatever situation we are, for 3 minutes, just stop that activity. Let's focus just on ourselves, me and myself. I'm the point of light. The soul, the spirit, जिसको हम मन कहते हैं, बुद्धि कहते हैं. I'm a very pure energy. I'm a peaceful being. I'm a powerful being because I have the power to change myself. So I'm visualizing myself as a point of light. A pure being in me, which has been sort of slept, undiscovered since long. A very pure energy, that's a ray spreading from me, the point of light. Rays of peace, vibrations of peace, happiness, purity, all around me. I am a pure energy. Om Shanti. So this is a small understanding, but until we meet next time, just take a small homework. Let me understand the quality of information I am throughout the day until next week, what I'm taking, and try to filter the information. चाय की पत्ती को चाय पत्ती नहीं खाते हैं, फिल्टर करते हैं. तो जो भी दिख रहा है, filter and then take. So let's see if you can filter and take. Then we'll understand how to filter it. ठीक है? Om Shanti. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Sangeeta Di. It was a wonderful session, and especially being a CA and becoming a Didi means that's a complete transition. So I'll just relate to one of the discussions that we had with the CAs, that what is the best investment that you can make. So I had the answers, the best investment is on yourself only, because the kind of reap and return that it gives, no one, nothing else you can receive from anywhere.
Right.
Okay, so what I request is everyone to at least invest for 40 minutes every week, because out of 168 hours, we can certainly invest on ourselves for 40 minutes. And that's going to be at least a positive vibes and positive thoughts coming across, which may energize and rejuvenate for at least the entire week, if not more. And it's a journey. So it's not that we had earlier had a couple of sessions, but if you see the feedback from Manvi and the JSL lifestyle, it's a journey that has to be reached out over months or weeks at least. So what we are committing is that at least every Tuesday, 10 to 10:40, we'll block our schedule. So we have at least 40 minutes of positive vibes coming to us, which will be energizing us for the entire week. So thank you, Sangeeta Di. And my special thanks to Deepika ma'am for guiding us, because she's instrumental in bringing this thoughts and concept to the entire Jindal family. And again, Nirmala Di, whose blessings and guidance are very critical and important for us. So thank you all, and let's meet every week, 10 to 10:40 Tuesday. Thank you, Sangeeta Di, once again. And thank you, Mandavi, for organizing and leading the entire journey for us. Thank you, Mandavi.
Thank you, Praneet-ji. Thank you, Sangeeta Didi. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Thank you, all of you. Okay.